All right, we'll leave it at that. Also, on to some more breaking news coming in. West Bengal Chief Secretary and DGP are now to appear before the MHA is the latest breaking update we're picking up from the state of West Bengal. West Bengal Chief Secretary and the DG will be meeting with the MHA at 5:30. Anuj, my colleague, tracking all those developments, joining us live from Kolkata. Anuj, we've been seeing a Centre versus West Bengal explode the past few hours. Tell us more about the latest development, Anuj.
Well, we do know that this was the Chief Secretary of Bengal and the DGP who was summoned by Ministry of Home Affairs. This is regarding the attack which happened on the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, that's JP Nadda. And now what we have been told, the latest what we are learning and what we have been told is that this is going to be through video conferencing at 5:30. When Chief Secretary and the DGP will be meeting through the video conferencing. This meeting will be done through the video conferencing, and there will be Ministry of Home Affairs will be taking note of the things, what exactly has happened, what exactly were the lapses at this point in time, what exactly happened at that point in time, I beg your pardon. And let me also tell you, this is very much important because this is just a day before when this is Home Minister of the country, that's Amit Shah, is also going to be here in the West Bengal. So that's 2-day visit. So prior to that, this was Central who again made in a request and again summoned the Chief Secretary and the DGP of West Bengal regarding the lapses of the security which was witnessed at the time of attack on JP Nadda, that's the national president of Bharatiya Janata Party. So now at 5:30, this is important to notice, this is important to see what exactly will be coming out from this particular meeting, which will be a video conferencing meeting in which the Chief Secretary and the DGP will be meeting the Ministry of Home Affairs official, and they will be telling what exactly were the lapses and what exactly is the planning for tomorrow. Also, that also is expected, which is to be discussed in that particular meeting, because this is now going to be Home Minister of the country, that's Amit Shah, who is already scheduled for 2 days visit in the state of West Bengal. So these are the actions coming in from the pole-bound states, that's West Bengal. Earlier we have seen there is Central versus West Bengal, the state of West Bengal. The Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, was not ready to send the Chief Secretary and the DGP. Earlier, this was again the officials were summoned by Ministry of Home Affairs, and now this is going to be at 5:30 through video conferencing when the DGP and the Chief Secretary will be meeting the Ministry of Home Affairs official.
Because earlier on they defied the summons that was served by the Ministry of Home Affairs, but an important development, both the Chief Secretary of West Bengal, DGP of West Bengal will be in fact appearing before the MHA, this virtually though, and it is all set to take place at 5:30 this evening, right ahead of Home Minister Amit Shah's visit. Extremely important development. Many thanks, Anuj. We'll keep coming back to you. For the moment, thank you.